Hey, Chris.
Oh,
What's up? Hey, what are you good at?
Oh, creating social media content.
All right, on. What can I get good at?
I can help you be more efficient taking photos with your smartphone.
Nice. Let's get good at that.
Get good at that.
Chris, hey. All right, this is Chris Hibbets. He is the content creator for the Hayhurst Brothers at Hayhurst Brothers on Instagram if you want to look them up. Awesome stuff. Chris, how you doing?
I'm terrific.
Super! Let's do this.
Okay.
All right, so show me, how can I be more efficient using my phone as a camera?
All right, I got 5 things.
5 things. Something happened over here, sparkly, huh? And then take your phone out. Okay, there it is.
I take it out, I swipe over, and there's my camera.
That was pretty quick.
It was.
That was quick. Now what?
Now, well, what do you want to do? You want to take a picture?
I think so.
Okay.
I think that was the plan when we turned.
So the new thing is the bokeh. You've heard bokeh?
I have heard bokeh.
Yeah, the depth of field. I want the background blurred out,
Yes.
like all the kids are doing.
Yes.
So how do I do that without going to the portrait mode, you may ask?
No, I will ask. How do you do that without going to the portrait mode?
You get your hand, you put it in front of your camera, and you hold, and it locks in.
We have these in steps. I just realized this. Now we're at step 3.
Are we?
Are we?
I thought we were at step 2.
Oh no, because the whip is not that's not really a hot tip.
They better know that. So now we're at step 2, and I've locked it in to something tight to where I've got a blurred out background.
It is blurry.
Now,
I got
what
you.
people think, because they can paint, when they paint it,
Yeah,
they're like,
it does.
oh, I could zoom in.
Yeah, it does seem to zoom in when you pinch, but that's not a zoom.
No, because it's digital. Imagine this is the picture, and you're pinching it out, and the picture's just like getting like this. So
Yeah.
You're losing resolution.
Oh.
And how do we feel about that?
I strive for resolution in my life. Every day.
I think that's a different kind of resolution.
Oh.
I was just talking about quality of your picture. Let's let our arms be our telephoto lens.
Okay.
And I can go in on what I want to be in focus.
Wonderful shot of something, and then it gets blurred as you bring away. And then you can bring your hand in, and that's really what everyone wants. They want a good picture of their hand.
Yes, they do. Step 3, don't let your camera now dictate your lighting. So with one finger, my thumb,
Is the thumb a finger?
no, it's not. But with my thumb, when I go up and down,
Oh, yes. I see.
I am the master of light,
You
not
are.
the phone. And that's what I want in a lot of circumstances where the background is either overlit or underlit. And I want my foreground to be lit the way I want it to, not what my phone is dictating. But now we're there. We're in focus.
Yes.
We got the lighting we want.
Yes.
And we're ready for a picture.
Okay.
So what do you want to do at that point? I'm going to press my volume button. Oh my gosh, it just took a picture.
It did. All right. So the volume button becomes the shutter release.
And now I've got a picture without having to awkwardly go down to
You know, now that I watch you do it, that does look awkward.
what?
So run me through what a day is for you, what your job is like with the Hayhurst Brothers.
All right, my goal is to visually capture and communicate what they do. And in order to get some of these shots, I have to take video with my phone, because not only do you have a neat little video, but then you can go in and scrub the video and take a screen grab of it, and it's the same thing as you taking a picture.
Okay, so show me.
When you're doing the video, and you can do, oh, I got the video, hooray! And then you scrub the video, meaning that you pause it while you're watching the video on here, and you move along the timeline, the piece of the video that you like, that you would want to make a picture of, and then you can do a screen grab of it, and then you've got it. And there's your picture.
Yeah, and so this is one that you actually got accomplished doing that method.
Right.
And this looks like they're posed. I would have totally thought you had posed them
Right.
and asked them, okay, guys, I want you back to back. And then it even looks like you have a flash behind them
Right.
to get that hairline right there.
It's all in what was going on in that moment.
All right, so, well, I'm going to try these things out. You should too. These are some great tips. Do these things, learn something new, and live a happier life.